We design specific financial products for your operation to be able to help you have more control, more flexibility, and to drive cost out of the business. That's one of the things that make us completely different than anybody else in the marketplace.
We're a bunch of truck guys who are experts in finance, data analysis, in saving our customers money.
Yeah, financial services looks at total cost of ownership from a perspective of how our clients could effectively use assets over time.
Previously, we were doing full maintenance leases, which included the maintenance component, which were relatively expensive. With America West, we've been able to unbundle those leases, and we see a significant savings.
We have saved in excess of $50 million, and the way that we do that is we go in and analyze their information. We meet with them quarterly. We don't stop in the beginning. What we do is we meet with them quarterly after that, and we sit down and go through each individual unit and data. And the way that we're able to design our product, it allows them to know specifically when to get rid of that piece of equipment so that they can drive all the cost possible out of their operation.
We had to replace a group of legacy fleet vehicles that had reached the end of their useful life. And in doing so, we had to start with first securement of funds for those next generation vehicles. And in dealing with America West, we were able to identify options that were available to us that we wouldn't be able to get through traditional means.
America West Financial Services gives us a very competitive price when we're looking at leasing our vehicles. They have very good terms, and also we get them very timely, very good buyouts, but also they help us to where we keep the equipment for a specified period of time, then help us get out of that vehicle and back into a newer vehicle.
Each and every year we work with our customers to show them additional savings and how they can more effectively manage their fleet assets based upon today's technology.
I would recommend America West Financial Services to others based on the fact that they have a good product, their prices are reasonable, and their service is outstanding.
I would absolutely recommend America West just based on my interaction with them. Just the flexibility that they've given us, that trusting relationship.
Anyone that is seeking a custom solution, something that's a bit out of the box, America West would be a great candidate for them.
There is no other way to go if you want to succeed and continue to grow.